here the main point is Arani, Adhararani and Uttararani. When we are saying only Arani, actually it is meaning the Adhararani. Adhara means low and Uttara means up, over. That is the top. They are taking the example because those were days when yaga yajnas were very common. So they would keep one wood block like this, another top wood will be rubbed over the base, and from that the fire has to come out. That fire was used for lighting the Homakunda and all. So the Agni, where lies the truth here? Where from did the fire come? It is just two pieces of wood. Unless the fire, the energy is there inside the wood, where from the fire would come? So they are trying to give the example to make us think that the fire is already there. You have only put your effort, proper effort, to make that fire feelable, visible, manifest. You have to manifest the fire. You don't have to create actually. The fire is already there. If the fire was not there, the fire would not come. That is the example. Like that, whatever we are talking about the self, the corresponding inspiration, energy, or the corresponding truth, the truth of the self, it is what we are. But just like the hidden fire in the wood, it is lying hidden in our being. We are not able to feel that fire. We are not able to have the sakshatkar of the Atma because our mind, body, mind, personality, everything is amalgamated so much with the worldly attraction, repulsion, enjoyment, indulgence and whatnot. The more we indulge in the worldly sensory sukha or sensory dukkha also will be there following that. So more we are involved in that, so much the real fire will be subdued. Suppose the wood is wet wood, it is already wet, then the yajna fire cannot be taken out of it. The wet wood have to be given in the already burning fire. And in the process what will happen? Lot of smoke will come out because the water content in the wood. That is what happens, that even you are not able to know the fire, you are not able to feel the fire, you are not able to experience the fire. So the Guru will help you to manifest the fire in you. Guru will not do anything. Guru will light something by that which will help you to experience your own fire, which is already there in you. Nothing is created there. But what happens is that if the worldly attachment and worldly involvement, indulgence is so much, that is the wetness of the wood, then there will be a lot of smoke coming out. That is what happens for the Shishyas also. When the Guru tries to inspire the Shishya with the truth, there will be a lot of refusal, lot of smoke coming out, lot of agitation also. Sometimes they will run away because of that. So what we have to do is to dry that wet wood. By what? By sadhana. And what are they saying? It is not only that, jnana nirmathana abhyasat. It is an abhyasa. That means it has to be continued. We have to do it repeatedly. And what is the abhyasa? Jnana nirmathana. We have to do it with knowledge. What nirmathana means, that churning. In buttermilk, we are churning with the stirrer or with the stone or with a log, whatever. With that we are churning and the butter is coming out of the milk. Here this churning has to be done with the knowledge. See how clearly we have been telling repeatedly, the knowledge is not like the other knowledge that you have taken it, you have read the Upanishads and you have got the knowledge. It is not like that. Knowledge has to be used as a tool. Here are they not saying jnana nirmathana abhyasat? What is the abhyasa? To do the churning with the rod of knowledge. So that knowledge has to be used as a tool to bring out the butter. In this case, bring out the fire from our being. Jnana nirmathanabhyasat pasham dahati panditaha. The fire which will come, that will burn off the bondage, the pasham. Pasham means the tie, the knots that we have in our being. All that will be burnt off. Can you think of Bhagavad Gita there? What does knowledge do? Nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitramih vidyate. There is nothing as purifier, as powerful purifier as knowledge. Pavitra. Pavitra doesn't mean pure. Pavitra means which purifies. The knowledge is used to purify our being. We don't have to create Atma, we don't have to create Brahman, we don't have to create consciousness. We cannot, there is no question of. We are already that. We are not able to know that, we are not able to feel it because our mind, buddhi, which will feel, they are already so much sold off to the world of Raga Dvesha. They have lost themselves. So we have to apply the knowledge, the churning rod of knowledge to relieve our mind and buddhi. The changes are all will be in the mind and buddhi, never in the Atma at all. Never make such a mistake. Nothing happens to the Atma. By removing the cloud, the sun becomes visible. The sun is already there. Because of the cloud, we are not able to see. When we remove the cloud, then the sun becomes visible. So the Atma is already there. We have to remove the cover. We have the delusion, cover of delusion we have created by our own attraction, repulsion, greed and whatnot, attachment, sangha, everything. We are not able to see it.